Hello my friends, welcome to another exciting episode of Hunting Rocks. As always, I'm your hunting guide Jeff, and today I'm getting something set up for my flat run fossil trilobites that you guys probably saw in the last video. But what I'm going to do today is build a sandblasting cabinet, which this will probably come, this will probably be the week after. I might even throw it up as a special presentation. I don't know. But we're going to build a sandblasting cabinet for cleaning these fossils so I don't get the garage all covered in dust. Let me show you what I got. So, super simple process. I've got two flanges. The flanges, I can get my arms way into them. That's further back than the depth of the box itself. I've got my screws to keep the flanges on. Later on I will get some gloves to put in here. Right now I'm just going to wear my leather gloves as I do it. I've got my Dremel tool, or I guess I should say rotary tool, since Dremel is actually a brand. And we're going to cut some holes here. We're going to cut a hole on the side so we can get the hose in, and then we'll have a nice blasting cabinet to keep all the dust down. So let's get started on this and I'll show you how it works. Okay, I'm both making this a short for my TikTok and a short for YouTube in case you want it sped up and don't want to watch the whole thing. But as you can see, there's some little squares there. You might be able to see them right through there. That's where I'm going to cut my first holes at. I want my flanges there. So what I'm doing, I'm lining up my flanges where I want them, taking my Sharpie or my marker and just lining out that hole where I want it. This one's a little better because I did it with two hands, but give you guys an idea. So I'm going to get these drawn out and then we'll go to the next step. All right, here we go, guys. Got my Dremel ready. Oh, hold on a second. All right, here we go, guys. Got the Dremel, non-Dremel ready. We're going to cut out this hole. Bit came loose. All right, bit's tightened down. Let's take two. All right, both holes are cut. As you can see, let's get those flanges on them. All right, flanges are on. As you can see, now I get my hand inside the bucket real easy. Next step, we got to glue, or not glue, but we'll screw these flanges on. So let's get to that step. That step is real easy. Once again, Dremel. There's little holes in the flanges. We just go straight through them. That's where our screws are going to go. Our nuts and bolts. And everything into place. Alright, that's ready. Let's nut and bolt it. Okay, nutting and bolting is real easy. I flipped it over. I'm going to run my bolts through my flanges, then through the little hole there. May have to force it. If I do, no big deal. But it'll go through there. I am going to have to force it, so I'll have to wind that out a little bit. So I'll get back once I get all the bolts in. Alright, I got the screws in. Next I'm going to take my screw gun here. I'm just going to flip it. And we're going to tighten down those nuts. Real easy to do. I guess it'd be easy if I plugged it in. Alright, wheels plugged in. Let's do it. They don't need to be super tight. They'll tighten themselves down. Go through, screw them all in, and then I'll go back through and I'll give them a little tighten. there you have it. The handhold section is done. As you can see, my arms can go in quite a ways, deeper than what the box is. Let's get this off the table. Let me show you guys how I'll set up the air hose. All right, time to put in the air hose. Real simple with the air hose. You want to get yourself a hole saw. The only ones I have are diamond bit because I work with rocks, guys. What do you want? I figured out my hole saw to fit over the top of my air hose. Doesn't have to be perfect. We're gonna put it, this looks like a good spot. Boom. Air hole is put in. Air chuck will now slide in. Easy as can be. All right. Well, tell you guys what. Let me set up a trilobite and get this thing tested because it's all but done. All right, here's the before of our tester trilobite. Let's get it in the box. I'm not sure how good we're going to record in there. We'll find out. All right, here we go. All right, you guys, and there it is. Now, the sandblaster didn't break it. I broke it. I flew a little too close to the sun, tried to chip off a little bit. But that is the trilobite. So I'm going to get busy cleaning some of these. All right, guys, so that is building a sandblasting cabinet on the cheap. Is it the best? No, heck no. But does it work? Yeah, it does. And for like 30 bucks, you can't go wrong with it. But yeah, this was a Hunting Rock special presentation. I hope you enjoyed it. Hamilton hopes you enjoyed it. I do these from time to time, so hope you can get a like, share, and subscribe. And guys, tomorrow will be another rock hounding video. Anywho, see you later. Bye. Say bye, Hamilton. He says bye, guys. Have a good one.